Hey there, folks. Chuck here. I got a build that I'm in the middle of, but I got a couple of boxes in the mail today, and I want to make sure I open them for y'all in case there was something cool inside. I'm pretty sure there will be anyway. This first one is from Mike's Mods and Customs. I did some work for him, and he is sending me a few items as a thank you. And so we'll see what was in here. I'm very curious to see what he sent. So let's see. I think there's... I'm going to take this out real quick because I think there's some payment inside. He has given me way too much money. That is... wow. Thank you, Mike. Let's see. Where says... Thank you for joining in on my build-off. Enclosed you will find a 1940 Ford Coupe for our challenge. Rules are simple. Use casting provided. Modify, customize any way you desire. Post a pre-build video showing viewers what's to come. Due date Sunday, June 6th. Most important rule, have fun. One last thing. Why not let's pay it forward and give these away when completed. P.S. Your fellow builders are Tutor's Diecast Customs, Somo Diecast, Diecast Pirate, and Mike's Mods and Customs. Happy modeling, Mike. Well, that's lovely. So, yes, I remember we had talked about this. So, let's see what we got in here. So I think there's more than just the one car. So there's my mission, should I choose to accept it. Wow. That is a cool one. I don't think I have this one, actually, so that'll be fun. So yeah, I'm going to figure out a fun way to give this away. If you got any ideas, leave it in the comments below. And we'll see what else is coming my way. So, Mike has a YouTube channel, in case I didn't mention that at the beginning, so I will be linking to that in the description. Please go show him some love. Oh, this is one of my favorite fantasy castings. So this is the, I think it's called Project Speeder. That's what it's called. And there's another version of this guy that is built and has like a formed hood and has the fenders. And I've always thought that would be a cool before or after build. So, yeah, that's awesome. Let's see. Oh, did I mention he also included a sticker? That's very cool. So yeah, that will be going on my desk of fame. Yeah, I'm loving getting the connections and all these cool things from my fellow builders to decorate things in there. What's this? Oh, there's another one. That's very cool. So, yeah, thank you, Mike. Appreciate it. And you are far too generous, sir. Thank you. Yeah, let's see what else we got here. This is from Gary. No, this isn't from Gary. I opened Gary's earlier. This is from David. And David has the TWYCE Diecast channel, and he is an awesome dude. He is probably the nicest guy in diecasting, and I'm very honored to be his friend and to have worked with him on a few things. And he said he was going to send me something, and so I'm here to see what this is. Curious. I'm very bad at cutting open boxes. My hobby knife, Sir Doll. So let's see what we got here from our good friend David. Chuck, I prayed for you and your family as I wrote this. Hope you're feeling better each day. It's better than the last. Your friend David. Thought of you immediately when I saw these. Well, thank you, David. I appreciate that. The prayers from all of y'all have been greatly appreciated. Things are turning a corner for me, both mentally and physically, financially. All kinds of stuff are starting to come together, and it's been really wonderful. I think I remember what this is, because he mentioned this in a video. I'll link to that video. He very kindly said he was going to send this to me. I'm trying not to look at what else is in the package. That is very cool. 1982 Ford Mustang SSP. And in the black Bandit livery. I love the fox body, four-eyed fox, as they're called. And I used to be a big fan of the fastbacks, and in my old age, I have decided I really like the look of the notchbacks. I grew up in a time when there were a bunch of these on the road in Florida. The FHP had a bunch of these, and they were very, very cool cars to see screaming down the road. And there's something else in here that I was not expecting. So what is... Oh man, this is so cool. Oh man, when I saw this, I was so excited, and of course I couldn't find it anywhere, and I've got my new rule of strictly only peg shopping now, so I was like, I am never gonna find this, and he hasn't. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Yes, I love the not really licensed Men in Black bit of this. Crown Victoria with man in suit. So, even looks a little like Tommy Lee Jones. That is amazing. I am so pumped about this one. That is... Oh, David. My friend. Wow. Wonderful. Thank you both, Mike and David. Check out their channels. Give them a subscribe. They are both really good people. And very honored to be in the same hobby as so many amazing people, and they are two of the top. So please check them out, give them a subscribe, and very excited about this this build over here too. That's going to be a lot of fun. So wonder what I'm going to do with it. Let me know what you think I should do in the comments. But yeah, that's it for now. As always, I want to thank you for coming along with me for the ride. So until next time, stay fresh, cheese bags.